Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some very important news for you in this video because I accessed international lounge in Bangkok terminal through my Axis Bank Atlas credit card. Now I made a video a few days back saying that all Axis Bank and ICICI Bank credit cards are no longer in partnership with Dreamfolks. Now Dreamfolks, due to technical outage and due to a lot of things, they had a split up between Axis, ICICI and Dreamfolks. As you know, HDFC Bank are closely tied up with Priority Pass, and when you are in international airports like Bangkok or anywhere else in Europe, you will use your Priority Pass. That is a well-known fact. But with Axis Bank and ICICI Bank, there was no clarity at all, and I called up customer care several times, and finally I was able to use my Axis Bank Atlas credit card in Miracle Lounge in Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. So guys, in this video guys, I'll tell you exactly what is the process, how to use it, and even you can use this credit card for your family members also. I'll explain everything in this video, but before we get started, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you are regularly watching my content guys, are non-subscribers. My humble request is kindly hit that subscribe button and support my channel. So first of all guys, I went to Thailand last week. As you know, I was in Thailand, and while coming back from Suvarnabhumi Airport to Bangalore, then I had an opportunity to use this Axis Bank Atlas credit card and get my international lounge. Now, as you know guys, like I said, there was a partnership end between Dreamfolks. Through Dreamfolks, you were able to access international lounges anywhere, even in India and in international, with your Axis Bank and your ICICI Bank credit cards, because HDFC Bank is closely associated or tied up with Priority Pass. So I just walked into the lounge, and before I walked into the lounge, I just want to give you a small scenario. I called up the customer care, and the customer care of Axis Bank, to be honest guys, my experience only has improved like anything. Now HDFC customer care has been shit. I have made several videos on that, and I've shown you live proof as well that there is no proper response. But Axis Bank has really turned it around in terms of the customer care. Now when I called a dedicated helpline for Atlas, when you have any queries with regards to international lounge access, that person picked up the call and he acknowledged that yes, Dreamfolks is no longer in partnership with Axis Bank, and we are going to use this card itself, your normal credit card itself, in international lounge access, and you will be able to access. So first, whatever he said was, go to app and go to cards and go to benefits, and if you click on benefits section, you will be able to see how many lounges you have, and you can generate a QR code from the app. Well, that was not possible because due to an Axis Bank technical glitch. So what that person advised me was, kindly use this credit card directly in the lounge. $1 will get charged, and that $1 will be refunded to you immediately. So what I did was, I went to Miracle Lounge. As you can see on my screen, I went to Miracle Lounge and I presented my Axis Bank Atlas credit card, and they saw my credit card, they saw the boarding pass, they saw my passport, and there one small tip guys, they're only going to let you in 3 hours before your departure time or 2 hours before your boarding time. So be very clear, they're not going to let you in any time before this. So I went and presented my Axis Bank Atlas credit card. As you can see, I just put it on the screen guys. This is my Axis Bank Atlas credit card. So I went and presented this Axis Bank Atlas credit card, and they said they checked first in the machine whether it's accepted or not, and it was accepted. So they said how many members are going to join with you, and then my father was there with me. So for me, I gave my own HDFC Priority Pass, and for this Axis Bank Atlas, my father was able to access. So you can request them saying that you have an additional card, and even though the boarding pass and the credit card are not matching, it's okay. They will tell you to swipe it in another lounge. Take this coupon, like this coupon, I'll try to put it on the screen. So this coupon, they'll give it to you, and you can present it back in the same lounge. Then they will accept any number of people that you have with you. So this is very important guys, and once they swiped this Axis Bank Atlas credit card, $1 was charged, and that $1 was immediately refunded after 5 to 10 minutes. So there is no problem. So in case you have family members with you or friends with you, you want to take them to lounge inside you already have one for you. For example, in my case, I already have HDFC Priority Pass. But if you want to take your family members, it is completely discretion with the lounge. If lounge people allow, then you will be able to access. Well, now coming back to HDFC Bank, Axis Bank customer care. So that person told me, if they don't allow you inside international lounge, please do call me. So that situation did not come, and I have the helpline or the hotline number. I could have easily called and told him they are not allowing. But the Miracle Lounge people in Bangkok were very sweet guys. They're very cooperative. They said you swipe this card because on the same lounge you cannot swipe two cards with the same name. Now my name is there in this card, and it is also there the same name in my priority pass. For me, priority pass was accepted, so that person told go to different concourse or terminal, swipe there and get me this slip so that I can permit you inside the lounge for my father. So I got this, I went to different terminal, swiped my Atlas card, got the voucher and then presented back into the Miracle Lounge, and they let me in. There was no problem. Even that person called the other terminal person and told I will be coming and I'll be swiping my card. So it was very cooperative. The people were very genuine, and honestly it was one of the best lounges guys. Even inside the lounge there was a lot of food varieties. There was vegetarian, non-vegetarian, everything that you need for. There was vegetables, baked vegetables, there was fresh fruits, everything available in the lounge. So instead of spending 500-600 baht in McDonald's or Burger King or whatever junk in the airport, you can might as well as access lounge and then utilize this opportunity. There was initially no clarity about Axis Bank or ICICI Bank in terms of accessing lounges in international airports or international terminals in international airports, but now we have got a clear picture and clarity. All that you have to do is you can take any number of people guys. It's up to the lounge for them to allow. Now on my initial tier of my Axis Bank Atlas credit card, I've got 4 international lounges free throughout the year. Now I've used one. If I had 2 family members, I could have swiped this in different 2 terminals and then got my family members inside the lounge. So if you have friends, if you have family members, there is no problem guys. You can definitely present your Axis Bank Atlas credit card and you can use your lounge. I went to Miracle Lounge. There was 2 or 3 lounges available in different terminals guys. Now I was flying from Concourse A, that is terminal A. Inside the terminal there is concourse A, B, C, D. So I was flying from A, so I went to the nearest lounge and they sent me to C. I had to go to C and then swipe. Probably you'll have to swipe it in all the 4 concourses. There is 3 or 4 concourses. There is international airport lounges. You can check that on the Priority Pass app, or you can check that on the Suvarnabhumi Airport website. So kudos to Thailand, kudos to their staff and management of this Miracle Lounge. I really appreciate them a lot because they provided me this hack and I was able to take my father. Even though he doesn't have a credit card, he doesn't have a priority pass, I was able to take my father without any problem. So if you're traveling with your parents, if you're traveling with your spouse, if you're traveling with your children, definitely, or friends also, you can take them with you. Just tell them you have 2 or 3 cards and you will be swiping this in a different terminal or a different concourse and then getting the slip. Definitely they will permit. Now this information was very helpful for me guys. This was very useful. That's why I decided to make a video. Especially accessing international lounge access is very difficult. Only few cards are accepted, unlike whatever is accepted in Indian airports. A lot of cards are accepted, but if you want to access internationally, you must have priority pass or you must have tie up with one of these bank cards. So this was very advantageous to me, and if I spend more, there is a platinum, silver and gold, as you know, in this tier. So I'm in the bottom tier because I've not spent 15 lakhs yet. But if I spend 15 lakhs, then I'll move to a different tier where I have more international lounge access. I can take more number of family members with me. So this is a great advantage, and this is extremely good because priority pass, I can't do that. If I have HDFC priority pass, I can't take more family members. Even though you swipe twice in the same airport, it will get charged and you might have to spend 25 or 50 US dollars per person. Please remember this. So it was highly beneficial, highly advantageous for me to use this Axis Bank Atlas credit card and access airport lounge, that is Miracle Lounge in Suvarnabhumi Airport. Again guys, I hope this video was extremely informative. Please share this video to your family and friends, whoever is traveling and whoever is having this Atlas Bank Access credit card. I'll catch you guys in my next video.